Hi, Mel.
Hey! I love working here. Every day is new, there's new challenges to overcome. The people here are great to me and I wouldn't have it any other way. I've been working here for over 2 years now. Why not UZ? I have had the best experience here. Every day is different, a challenge. People are so good to me here. And I've been the best version of myself lately. Well, I feel great about it. I remember that every day to think about the overall goal, to remember that this is only the beginning, and I believe that I can do it if I put my mind to it. Well, by following up, by providing my excellent customer service, and then knowing, like I said, keeping consistent with my goals. Well, I come in usually early. I get to work on any missed calls or text messages. I answer emails, and I get to those follow-ups. Well, my biggest challenge would be to basically keep a positive mindset sometimes. I'm human, so certain things happen where it's not really my best day, but I turn that around by remembering the overall picture, and that's, bigger things are in store for me, and if I just believe that, it's gonna happen. Okay, so this year I plan to reach out to all the Democrats that I possibly can to hit the ground running on my political people and just make sure they're helped out. My personal goal, I do plan on owning my own house, paying off my car, and setting up my generational wealth. Well, first, I'm going to take my family out to eat. We love food. Secondly, I'm going to make sure that all my bills are paid and that I'm applying it to my earnings here. I recently got a car by working at UZ, so I'm going to add it into that.